Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Creek channel. In this video we want to show you how you can create animation with Animize Animation Maker. Working with this software is too easy. If this video was useful for you, please don't subscribe our page. Before creating animation, let's watch a sample that is created with this software. As you see, that is a sample that is created with Animize Animation Maker. Let's watch it. As you see, that is a sample of video that is created with this software. Now I want to create a new project. Are you ready? Let's start. Now I choose new empty project. Now as you see, that is the environment of this software. That is our camera. We can set 3 cameras in this software. Now I choose my role. We have lots of room: businessman, farmer, mother, family, old man, businessman, worker, and running man, farmer, businessman, doctor, nurse, and anything. And we have lots of position, for example, talking, welcome, and long time sticker, and anything you want. For the first, I choose my background. I choose a hospital background to my project. As you see, this is my background, and now I want to choose my role. My role is a doctor that is talking. The position is talking and smiling, and the motion is walking. Now I wanna motion this doctor from outside of my background that is walking and come to my background, and then talking, and I choose a role that is nurse, and nurse is coming to and talking with the doctor and then surprising. And now you want to see the process of creating this animation. As you see, that is our timeline. As you see, I create animation video less than 10 minutes, and you can create your animation with your creativity. And this software has lots of functions that you can work with it and create interesting and amazing animation. And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our page. See you later guys.